Wait and see.
DeepSeek V4 Pro Spark makes Spark serve LLMs. Thousands of GPUs now act as a single model. Latency drops below 1 second at scale, all without buying custom inference hardware. Watch how Spark rewrites the AI serving playbook. DeepSeek V4 Pro D Spark extends Apache Spark's executor model to treat each GPU as a Spark task. The framework registers a GPU resource profile, then Spark Scheduler allocates those resources across the cluster. When a request arrives, the driver partitions the model into shards, assigns each shard to a different executor, and streams token generation through pipeline stages. This eliminates the need for a separate inference service layer. Spark's own fault-tolerant DAG engine handles retries and scaling automatically. Model sharding splits the 13 billion parameter DeepSeek V4 weight matrix across GPUs, so each device stores only a fraction of the parameters. Pipeline parallelism then feeds intermediate activations from one shard to the next, allowing continuous token flow without waiting for a full forward pass. Intelligent batch scheduling groups incoming prompts into batches sized to fill each GPU's compute window, achieving near full utilization even when request rates fluctuate. In a recent internal test, a Spark cluster of 96 GPUs processed mixed-length queries with average throughput that grew linearly until network saturation, confirming that the bottleneck shifts from compute to Ethernet bandwidth. A data science team integrated the framework into their CI pipeline. They added a Spark job that reads pull request diffs from a Git repository, feeds each diff to DeepSeek V4 Pro D Spark, and writes generated unit tests back to the repo. The job runs on an on-prem Spark cluster, consumes the same resources as their existing ETL jobs, and adds no extra hardware cost. Because the inference runs inside Spark, the same job can be scheduled alongside Spark SQL workloads, simplifying resource planning. The team reported that test generation latency stayed under 900 millis per file, keeping the CI feedback loop fast enough for developers to act on immediately. To try it yourself, clone the DSpark repo, build the jar with Maven, and launch with a standard Spark submit command. As Spark submit master Spark // cluster master 797 as conf Spark esters nat gp augment 4 class com DSeek. DSpark app dspark.jar. Model DeepSeek V4 Pro shard count 8 batch size 32. The command tells Spark each executor to reserve 4 GPUs, partitions the model into 8 shards, and processes batches of 32 prompts at a time. Full step-by-step guide, sample configs, and benchmark scripts are linked in the description. Deploying DeepSeek V4 Pro D Spark turns any existing Spark infrastructure into a high-throughput AI factory, letting you scale language model inference with the same tools you already use for data processing. The result is faster response times, lower hardware spend, and a unified platform for both analytics and generative AI. Give it a spin and let the cluster do the heavy lifting.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.